Let's have a look at what the differences are between Topcon Field and Topcon Field Layout in the past. Be aware, Topcon Field Layout is gone. It's now part of Topcon Field. Topcon Field has coordinate systems that are meant to drive GNSS equipment. If you're not using that, then you wouldn't benefit from them. And the easiest way to make your Topcon Field look like Topcon Field Layout is just bringing out the menu structure that used to be part of Topcon Field Layout. The easiest thing to do that is loading a template, and that can be done by hitting in Topcon Field, hitting the drop down in any job that you're in, hitting the button that says configure menus. And then here you can obviously configure your menus, but it's easiest just to click the drop down here, load an existing template, and that template is wherever you save it. So in my case, I have it saved it to my desktop here, so I'll go desktop. There's going to be a default menu layout thing. We'll hit the OK button or the green check button. It'll rename, reorganize all of the menus that are already in Field to make them, mimic what Topcon Field or Magnet Field Layout used to be. So now this is the Magnet Field or Topcon Field software. So mind you, we're in Topcon Field version 10.1 here, but I can also bring up, and this is going to be now confusing, the old version of Magnet Field or Topcon Field Layout, which is right here. And you can see I'm now looking at a version 9.1, which was the last version before Topcon Field Layout went away. But you can see this is what the menu structure looks like there. You can see that the plan has an icon of that. In Topcon Field, that plan icon looks like a little map. That's the only difference between the actual softwares once you load the template. If you want to get out of the template while you're in Topcon Field, you can go back out into your configure menus, hit the button, hit the configure menus option again, and just hit the button that says reset to defaults, and now you'll see that everything will be back. So you're not losing functionality, but you're restricting it to what you're used to. So again, drop down, configure menus, load a template. In my case, again, that template happens to be on my desktop, so click here, there we go, and I'm going to provide this to anyone. This can be done easily by either just saving the template from the previous software or layout or having access to it like here. So there we go. That's how easy it is to distinguish or at least use the Topcon Field as a field layout software. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below.